In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate AI mode for trading on Pocket Option. This is a straightforward process, but I'll guide you step by step to make sure everything is clear and seamless for you. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's head over to the Pocket Option dashboard. This is your main hub for all trading activities, so you'll probably be quite familiar with it. But if you're new, don't worry. It's all laid out clearly and is easy to navigate. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice your profile picture. Give that picture a click. This is usually where you manage your account settings and preferences. After clicking your picture, you will see a drop-down menu. Now, proceed to click on Settings. This section is where you customize and adjust all the features related to your trading account. In the Settings menu, scroll through until you find the section specifically labeled Trading Mode. This is a crucial part of the setup, so make sure you don't skip it. Under Trading Mode, check to make sure that AI mode is enabled. If it isn't, just click to turn it on. Enabling AI mode is essential as it allows you to leverage artificial intelligence to aid your trading decisions, potentially providing you with insights and advantages you might not have considered otherwise. Once you've ensured that AI mode is up and running, let's navigate back to the dashboard. You can usually do this by clicking on the Pocket Option logo or a home symbol, whichever directs you back to the main trading page. Now that you're back in the dashboard, the next step is to select the currency you want to trade. Take a moment to browse through your options, considering any recent market trends or currencies you're familiar with or interested in. Once you've picked a suitable currency, look for the option to use AI trading. This feature is often represented by a blue button on the screen, making it easy to spot. The AI trading button will activate the AI tools to assist you with your trading strategy, potentially making your trades more informed and aligned with current market data. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled AI mode and are ready to start trading with the advantage of machine learning and advanced algorithms at your disposal. By following these steps, you empower your trading approach with cutting-edge AI technology, allowing you to make potentially smarter and more strategic trading decisions. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading!